Hello traders and welcome again. Today I will tell you about the mistakes which are stopping you to become a profitable trader. But first let me introduce you guys to my Telegram signals trading group. Here I provide 7 to 10 daily trading signals with 90 to 95% accuracy. Message me on Telegram to join my signals trading group for free. The first major mistake to avoid is trading without sufficient knowledge. Jumping into binary options trading without a solid understanding of the financial markets and trading strategies is a recipe for disaster. Take the time to learn about different assets, market trends, and technical analysis before risking your money and to learn the expert strategies and knowledge. You can check out our previous videos. The second major mistake to avoid is not using a reputable broker. Choosing an unreliable or unregulated broker can lead to issues like delayed withdrawals, unfair pricing, or even scams. The most reputable and trustable broker is Olymptrade, as it provides faster withdrawals. No delay in executing the trades with 24/7 support. In the description you can find the link of Olymptrade. Register an account and start your trading journey. The third major mistake to avoid is lack of patience and discipline. Successful trading requires patience and discipline. Don't rush into trades without proper analysis, and avoid making emotional decisions based on fear or greed. The fourth major mistake to avoid is ignoring market news and events. Major economic or geopolitical events can significantly impact the financial markets. Ignoring fundamental analysis and important news releases can lead to unexpected losses. I will always suggest you guys to check out the daily news of markets. The fifth and the last major mistake to avoid is overtrading. Trading too frequently can lead to impulsive decisions and increased exposure to risk. It's essential to have a well-defined trading plan and stick to it, avoiding excessive trading based on emotions or the desire to recoup losses quickly. You must create a plan for your daily trading and set up your targets of profits. Time to end the video. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you will avoid all these major mistakes in trading. If your video was informative to you, make sure you like the video and also subscribe to the channel so that you never miss fresh content like this, and comment down the topics on which we should make videos in future. Thank you.